Hi friends, this is the lecture number 8. So before coming in this lecture, you must go in the previous lecture, that is the last part of allegation. Okay, we have already solved a lot of question. My guarantee, if you will solve our all problems, then you will get success. Okay, so if you want success, then you must come here, otherwise no need. So now the first question is, these question it has come in your previous exam. Okay, we are not mentioning in which exam they have asked, but we are solving only the important questions, and we are giving you the tricks and logic how to save your time during exam. The first question is, a man traveled a distance of 80 km in 7 hours partially on foot at the rate of 8 km per hour and partially on the bicycle at 16 km per hour. Find the distance traveled on foot. Very simple question. So you have to use the alligation method. So you have to write at first you have to find the average speed. Average speed is equal to speed of first and speed of second. So your total overall speed, okay, distance upon time, overall distance upon overall time. Overall time is 7, overall distance is 80. So 80 upon 7, okay, kilometer per hour. That is the overall average speed. Okay, now we have to write here on foot, and this is the he is using bicycle. On foot he has done 8 km and on bicycle he has done 16 km. So overall he is getting, this is the average 80 upon 7. You have to use the alligation method. After subtraction of this you are getting 24 upon 7. After subtraction of this you are getting 32 upon 7. Okay, so that is the part of ratio. Okay, 32 upon 7 upon 24 upon 7. So your ratio is 32 ratio 24. That will be equivalent to, if you will solve, that will be 4 ratio 3. Now what he is asking, find the distance traveled on foot. So he is asking, that is for foot and that is the part of bicycle. Okay, so we will write time traveled by on foot is equal to overall time is 7. Okay, overall time is 7, but here he has taken the 4 part of the time and here he is taken the 3 part of the time. So but he is asking about the foot, so he has taken total number of 4 part of the time. Okay, on foot, and total that is 4 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So it means that he has taken 4 hours. Now distance, you know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So if you are finding the distance, means speed into time. Okay, so your speed, that is already he has given us 8 km per hour. So distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so you have to multiply 8 into 4 is equal to 32 km. That is your answer. Now we are coming in the next question, that is also famous. An army of 1200 consists of Europeans and Indians. The average height of Europeans is 5 feet 10 inch and that of an Indian is 5 feet 9 inch. The average height of the whole army is 5 feet 9 of 3 by 4. So what he is asking? In this question, he is asking number of Indians. An army 1200 consists of European and Indians. The average height of European is this and that. What is the number of European and what is the number of Indian? Okay. So before solving this question, at first we have to understand what he is asking. So in this question, total 1200 consists of I will use high school method to solve this problem. It will take more time if I will use the alligation method, so it will better. And you can also solve by the help of your alligation method, but your alligation method, it will take more time. Why? Because of calculation. So I will use this method. Let the number of Indians how many Indian, he is asking, how many Indian in the army is equal to X. Okay, let we are just thinking that is X. Okay, so X into number of Indians, X into 5 feet 9 inch plus 1200 minus X 12000 12,000 minus X, that is the number of European, into 5 feet 10 inch, okay, upon total number of troops, that is 12,000. So that is average. I think that you have done the average, how to find the average. So if you divide by this, the average height is this, 5 feet 9 of 3 by 4 inch. Oh, okay, we have done question. Very simple. So now we have done almost. So I think that this is the best method. Now the problem is what is food and how to solve this problem. Okay, this is the only problem. So we will use X into, and how many in 1 foot there to 12 inch, and if you calculate it this 5 foot and 9 inch, then you will get this is 69 inch, and plus 1200 minus X, if you will calculate 5 foot 10 inch, so 1 feet is equal to 12 inch, 12 inch into 5 plus 10, so it will 70 inch. Okay, and upon 1200 is equal to, and here also 5 feet is equal to 1 feet is equal to 12 inch, 12 into 5 plus this. So if you will solve it, then you will get this is 69.75 inch. If you will solve, then you will get X is equal to 3000. And the second method, I will use the simple method, alligation method. So alligation method, I will use European and Indian. How many? The height of European is equal to 5 feet 10 inch. So that is in inch. We have written total number of 70. Already we have solved 5 feet 9 inch is equal to 5 feet 10 inch is equal to 70 inch. 5 feet 10 inch is equal to 70 inch. So and 5 feet 9 inch is equal to 69 inch. Okay, so this is 69. So overall we have also done this 69.75. This is the overall, that is 5 feet 9 of 3 by 4 inch. 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. 12 into 5 plus 9 of 3 by 4. If you will solve it, then you will get 69.75. So after alligation, if you will use it, then you will get this is 0.25 and this is 0.75. So if you will find the ratio, so your ratio, that is 0.75 ratio 0.25. After calculation, you will get 3:1. Now you have to find the number of Indians. So in this condition, the total value, that is 12000 upon, and sum of this is 3 plus 1, and this is European, this is Indian. So Indian means into 1. Okay, if he is asking European, then you have to multiply by 3. So after calculation, you will get 3000. I think that you understand. So my request to everyone that if you are just coming in this lecture, before coming in this lecture, you must go in the previous lecture. All the lectures are linked together. Okay. Without solving the previous question, it is not to understand here. Okay. You must think. So that is the last of this allegation. Okay. Thank you so much.